Non-stoichiometric compounds. A few transition metals have the tendency to form compounds which do not possess simple proportion of elements. The proportion is not simple. Suppose NaCl 1:1, then this proportion is not simple in some transition metals compounds. These are called non-stoichiometric compounds. These are generally formed with elements of group 16 with example oxygen, sulfur, selenium, etc. Reason for forming these compounds. What is the reason for forming these compounds? Number one, variable valency of the elements. Variable valency of the elements. Second, partly due to crystal defects in structure of solids. The non-stoichiometric compounds are generally written with a bar above the formula. Example, the formula FeO shows that Fe and O ratio is not 1:1. The formula of FeO lies between C, iron 0.94 and oxygen 1. 2, in between these, iron 0.84 and oxygen is 1. This is called non-stoichiometric compound. Here the ratio is not simple. Here ratio is 0.94:1. Then these are non-stoichiometric compounds. Here is a question regarding non-stoichiometric compounds. Analysis shows that nickel oxide has formula Ni 0.98 and oxygen 1. What fraction of nickel exists as nickel plus 2 and nickel plus 3 ions? This compound, how many of Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus ions are present in Ni 0.98 and oxygen 1, this non-stoichiometric compound. Now see here solution. It means 98 nickel ions per 100 oxides ions. Nickel is 98 ions and oxygen ion will be 100 oxide ions. Multiplied it by 100. Out of 95 nickel ions, we will suppose that X number of nickel 2 plus ions and total 98 nickel ions, then 98 minus X number of Ni3 plus ions. Nickel ions means Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus. Total positive charge on 98 nickel ions. Total positive charge. See, X numbers of nickel 2 plus, then X into 2 plus 98 minus X into 3. Number of ions will be this. Total negative ion on 100 oxide ions, that is 2 into 100. Because in oxygen 2 ions are there, oxide 2 ions, then 2 into 100. These are the negative ions, positive ions, and this is negative ions. If any compound forms, it means number of ions will be equal due to neutralization theory. Then 2x plus 90 minus x into 3 is equal to 200. open the bracket and solve it, then we will get X equal to 94. X 94, it means fraction of nickel as Ni2 plus equal to, out of 98 there are 94 Ni plus 2 plus ions. Then 94 upon 98 into 100, we are getting in percentage. Out of 94 are Ni2 plus, then its percentage is 96%. And fraction of Ni3 plus, nickel as Ni3 plus, then 100 minus 96 is, it means 4%. Ni3 plus, that is 4%. These are the percentage of Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus ions in nickel oxide.